Today's reading is from Peter Richelieu's A Soul's Journey. The first important law which operates in the human kingdom is the law of reincarnation. This law asserts that an ego, once individualized, returns again and again to incarnate in a human physical body until such time as he had learned, by experience in all types of surroundings, all the lessons that can be learned under physical conditions. When the life force progresses through the mineral and vegetable kingdoms, this law exists to a limited extent, but it is not very apparent. In the animal kingdom, it also exists, still only to a limited extent, as there are as yet no separate entities. But it unfolds itself during the period of evolution after the ego has individualized into the human kingdom. The second important law, which operates for humans, though not for animals, is the law of karma, often referred to as the law of cause and effect. From the moment that the group soul becomes a separate ego, this law operates. The law of karma decrees that every thought, word, or action that emanates from man must produce a definite result, either good or bad. And that result must be worked out by us in our lives at the physical level. You will remember I told you that the keynote of the animal kingdom was self-preservation. How different is the keynote of the human kingdom? For it is self-sacrifice. Although this is the important standard for any human life, there are other laws which must be understood by those who seek to discover the secrets of the evolutionary path. These are, of course, different from those governing animals, and yet, for the first few lives lived by the unevolved man, he is more animal than man. Although he has shaken off his fear of man, the practices brought over from the animal kingdom, where he took what he could by virtue of his brain power or his physical strength, still persist. Ren zhe nai ren. A Chinese saying goes that what makes a human human is humanity. The ability to empathize. With whether it be humans or animals or objects, different ideas, cultures, beliefs. That's what makes the difference between a human and an animal or a human and a deity, a divine being, if you could say.